Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I found some interesting website that I want to share with you guys. So it is called tastewp.com, and using this website you can set up a temporarily WordPress installation on the fly without account, without payment. It is completely free, no account required. So let me show you how it works. So you go to tastewp.com. This is not my website, I just found it today, and all you have to do is click set it up. Oh, sorry, so you have to agree to their policy and click set it up first. So after this, they created a temporary WordPress website for you, which is automatically deleted after a period of time. All you have to do is remember these credentials if you need them and click access it now. So let us copy the password, and when you hit access it now, you will have this WordPress site ready for you. So it will be automatically deleted in 1 day, 23 hours, 59 minutes. So they will automatically delete it in 2 days, and for 2 days it is yours. You can use it to test anything you wish. So this is great for developers, and let me show you why. Because if you don't want to set it up here real fast, then you can click on advanced setup, and here let me show you how many options they have. So you can select the WordPress version first, you can select the PHP version, anything from 5.6 to 7.4. You can check these checkboxes to customize how WordPress will be configured without you even touching it. Also choose pre-installed plugins and themes, which theme you wish to install it, which plugins, custom site name, and their terms, which I failed to agree on the first time I started this video. So yeah, this is also possible to create multi-site on subpath. So this service is really awesome, and as I said, it is completely free, and not even an account is required for it to work. So as you saw, I created this WordPress site without even signing in or signing up for their service. So tastewp.com, I will link it in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. So yeah, this is all I could say in this video, because it is, as you see, it is a really awesome service. You can test your themes, plugins with custom WordPress versions, with custom PHP versions. You can set up debugging for your plugins, your themes, or even you can try out WordPress. If you are new to WordPress, you can set this website up, and you have a WordPress installation just for you, where you can learn about WordPress and you can play with it a bit to learn. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope this will be helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching until the end. Until next time, stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.